We guide you through how to find your PayPal account ID on desktop quickly and easily. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account on web browser. Once logged in, click the settings gear icon at the top right of the page, then go to the account or profile section. Scroll down until you see account ID or merchant ID, depending on whether you have a personal or business account. Your PayPal account ID is a unique identifier used for certain transactions, integrations, or merchant setups. You can copy it directly from this page and use it safely whenever platform or service request. Make sure you don't share your password or sensitive login info along with the ID to keep your account secure. By following these steps, you'll quickly locate your PayPal account ID on this tab without any confusions.